Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Very good day to you all. In this video, I'm going to talk about the topic 2.17, casting materials from Shidley material, Shidley engineering design, mechanical engineering design textbook. Okay, this is the topic I'm going to talk about. The topic 2.17, casting materials. Okay, so you learn about casting process, which is we covered in the earlier pages of this textbook, and I also covered a video about casting material, casting process. Okay, this is casting material is a key role in manufacturing, which casting material enable creation of complex shape with cost efficiency, critical in various industries. Okay, when you read this, when you hear this video, you should also Google the casting process so that you can understand more. This is the video is a partner with the casting process. Okay, where you use the sand and everything. The type of casting material, cast iron and cast steel are primary type, each offering distinct properties and limitation. Limitation of iron, despite being affordable and easy to cast iron, brittleness and low strength limit, it will limit its use, meaning that the cast material is prone to breakage, okay, prone to break, okay, meaning that it can break easily. Okay, this is the features of casting material, but as long as you can use it, then okay lah. Okay lah. Yeah. Okay. So they are the gray and ductile cast iron. Okay, gray cast iron, which is widely used due to its low cost and machinability, but it's brittle with graphite flakes. Okay, graphite is a carbon lah, style of carbon. And tensile strength of this cast iron is ranges from 100 to 400 megapascal, make it suitable for compressive load. And ductile cast iron, it has better elasticity. Ductile cast iron offers enhanced strength and elasticity thanks to its spherical graphite structure. Okay, and there is a white and malleable cast iron. Okay, the difference is the name. White cast iron has hardness and brittleness. It white cast iron lacks a graphite, making it extremely hard but brittle. Okay, often used for wear resistant surfaces. But malleable cast iron, we want to improve ductility through annealing. Okay, malleable cast iron gains nodular graphite, improving ductility and strength, tensile strength. Okay, annealing is covered in the previous video. Okay, application white cast iron is used for grinding balls because it is hard, and malleable iron is ideal for hardware like pipe fittings. Okay, you can see all the pipes around you, they are malleable cast iron. Okay, and the alloy cast iron and cast steel, alloy cast iron enhance property like nickel, chromium, and molybdenum. They can improve strength, hardness, and wear resistance because when we put the element of nickel, chromium, or molybdenum or any other element in this material, it can become stronger. And cast steels have design flexibility, it offer greater design flexibility, head durability, and wearability, making them ideal for complex shape. Okay, alloy cast iron are used in high wear environment, while cast steel are chosen for structures needing strength and flexibility. Okay, that's all for the video right now. Inshallah, we meet in the next video. Thank you very much.